The Biden administration now setting aside $150 million to boost the coronavirus response in underserved communities. That's one of three COVID headlines we're following for you tonight. The funds from the American Rescue Plan will go to community-based healthcare providers across the country. The money will help ramp up vaccination efforts, provide education about COVID-19, and improve infrastructure at clinics in underserved communities. The providers must apply for the funds by May 14th, and then the Department of Health and Human Services will decide who is approved for the funding. You can now buy at-home COVID-19 tests at some big-name pharmacies. Today, CVS Health announced it would offer 3 over-the-counter tests to customers at some of their drugstores as well as online. That includes the Ellume COVID-19 home test kit, the Abbott Binax Now COVID-19 antigen self-test, and a home collection kit from LabCorp. Meanwhile, Walmart and Walgreens have also announced that they will sell the Binax Now antigen test. It's important to note here that these over-the-counter options are not covered by insurance, and they are not meant to diagnose acute infections. Some of the Georgia Aquarium's most playful and popular mammals have tested positive for COVID-19. The aquarium thinks the otters there caught the virus from an asymptomatic staff member. The otters hadn't had any direct contact with guests, so they shouldn't pose any risk of spreading the virus to visitors. Researchers say animal-to-human transmissions are rare. The good news here, the otters seem to be recovering well, but they will remain off exhibit until they no longer test positive for the virus.